Hello, welcome to My Life is Mathland channel. Today we will discuss about statistics. Ninth problem. The mean of an observations is 8. The mean of n observations. I is equal to 1 to n, x I is equal to whole by n is equal to 8. So sigma of I is equal to 1 to n, xi is equal to 8n. Now the first n minus 1 terms observations is 48. Sum of the n minus 1 terms. So I will write as this one. There is equal to 8n. So xn, the value is 48 is given. So 48 plus xn is equal to 8n. So xn is equal to 8n minus 48. There is equal to 8 common n minus 6. It is the first output. Second, the variance square is equal to already given 16. So xi square means it is 8 square 64. So sigma of I is equal to 1 to n xi square whole by n minus 8 square 64 is equal to 16. Now sigma of I is equal to 1 to n xi square is equal to 60 80 and n and this side 80n. But they gave the n minus 1 observations. So sum of squares of n minus 1 observations. I will write same this formula. Sigma I is equal to 1 to n minus 1. 1 to n minus 1. You have to remember this formula. It is useful to us. n minus 1 xi square plus xn square is equal to 80n. So it is already given 496. 496 plus xn. Xn value already we find 8 into n minus 6 whole square is equal to 80n plus 4 into n minus 1 whole n minus 6 whole square 4 into n square minus 12n plus 36 is equal to 5n. So 10 5n 53n 144 plus 175 31 175. So it is a 700 4 into 175 700 factorization 28 into 25. So 4n square minus 28n minus 25n plus 175. 4n common n minus 7 minus 25 common n minus 7. N is equal to 7. N is equal to 25 by 4. So it is not possible. N is equal to 7 is the answer. N is equal to fourth option here. So the fourth